Shopkins, and I'm going to be doing a Shopkins showing. Okay, the first Shopkin I'm going to show today, it's very funny. Look, it's a peach. It's a peach. Her name's Peachy. It isn't funny yet, but turn it over. It's a butt. Me and my friend like to call it peach butt. Let's see. Who should I show next? Okay, here. I'll show the dress. I don't know what her name is. I got her from a trade. I think she's from one of the sets. Oh, something touched me. It's just, I don't see anything. Just my little iPad over there. Okay, who cares? Where is she? Where did I drop her? Where did I drop her? Here she is. So I think she's from one of the new season 3 play sets. So that sets aside her. Whoa! My bird. Okay, well, someone's probably not having a good time. Not like it's like a ghost or anything. I just want to do this in peace. I don't want things bothering me. It touched me again. It's getting closer. Someone's probably just moving it. Let's see here. These are my 2 all-time favorites. I like Sally Shakes a little better. No offense, Peppa Pepper. But you 2 are my all-time favorites. Look at their faces. They're so cute. Which one was
So,
look.
I know that. What are you playing?
It's Boo-Hoo Onion. She's so cute. I love her. I love her. It doesn't touch me again. Oh my god, it's so close. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dad, the bird is like so close to me. It's like a ghost or something. It's crazy.
The what is?
The bird. It's like a ghost. It keeps sneaking up on me. Can you help me?
I don't like birds.
Dang me. Can you help me? There's a ghost.
Can
you help me? Justin, help me, please.
Where's the bird?
I don't. It was right there.
Someone went over there.
Justin! He disappeared also. Oh, I think he ran that way. Who knows? There is a ghost.
Cool, I like ghosts.
Oh, there you are. There's a ghost. Help me get rid of it. Okay, I'll go. There's a ghost, Mom. There's a ghost. Oh, you do? Okay. What? My Shopkins lunchbox. Why is that here? I'm going to my room. This is creepy. Really creepy. Why? I didn't put the Shopkins here. Where are they? Where are they? I don't get it. Why is my tablet case right there? I don't know. Oh my god, it's the bird. Oh my god, it's the bird. Help me! It's the bird. Oh my god, it's so creepy. Oh my god. I don't like this. I just wanted to do a shopping showing video. I don't want there to be a bird. Get it away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so creepy. Are you okay, little live pet bird? So it's, whoa. What was that noise? I know you're tweeting. Stop trying to hide yourself. You're a ghost. I don't even know why I'm so close to this. What? I'm not hearing such weird noises. Oh my god, this is creepy. This is really creepy. Oh my god, it's making that noise again. Get it away. Get it away. Someone grab it. Grab it. Do something with it. Oh my god, this is so crazy. So crazy. I don't like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Maybe. I don't know, it's getting really creepy. Oh my god, it's an alien and part of an arm. I don't know why there's part of an arm there. This is creepy.
I'm hiding from the ghost figure. It's me. Oh, biggest friend.
I thought you weren't here.
You forgot about me.
Oh,
I'm hiding from the ghost. It tried to take my eyes out.
Oh god.
I thought maybe Alice could like see it.
Okay. Okay, this is scary.
That bird's a demon. Get away from it now.
What is that noise? It is a ghost.
I don't even know what's wrong with that. Just why don't you introduce Shuri?
Shuri? Interview. Just kidding, that's weird. Do you know anything about the bird?
No.
Are you sure?
It moved. I saw it.
Oh my god! I thought it was on the dresser! Get over to the dresser!
Just look in the mirror. Hey. Why don't you calm viewers? You show them all your pretty things.
And all the people in the video?
No, I mean all these things. Calm the viewers.
Yeah, the people watching the video. Yeah. Look, I drew this. I drew this when I was little. Well, not very little. I'm just a horrible drawer. Just kidding. Oh my god, it's chasing me. Okay.
I told you.
Try to calm me down. Look, this is my Minecraft poster. I drew it. Just kidding. I did not draw this. I cannot draw that good. Wait, let me try to get a little zoomed out view of it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I drew this. Yeah. Fine, I didn't draw it. This is...
What's that sound?
Well, at least it isn't chasing me anymore. Ooh, I also painted that. I didn't paint it very long ago. I like cats. See, there's a cat. Zoom in on the cat. It's too high. I can't really zoom in on it. The bird. Okay, I've tried to calm you. Bird. Okay, bird. I'm trying to calm the viewers. Stop chasing me.
Rachel, this is my brace.
Your brace came out? Did the ghost take it out?
No, seriously, it's my brace.
The ghost took it? Was it from the ghost?
I think so.
Oh god, this is getting creepy. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.
I touched that bird and it just made that noise. I just touched it. I was like,
Wait.
it has to go home in 10 minutes.
Okay. Oh, keep her standing up there. Oh.